Is YouTube sound not working on Android device? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is see if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device. It might be playing sound through headphones in another room. So for that, head over to settings. Now tap on connections, then tap Bluetooth. Here, you simply want to turn Bluetooth off. Now try YouTube again and check if your problem is fixed. Next, you want to check your sound settings. For that, open settings. Then tap sounds and vibration. Here, you want to ensure sound is selected, not mute or vibrate. Then tap on system sound and make sure the volume is to the max. Now tap volume and increase the media volume to the highest. Now try YouTube again or use the volume buttons on the side while watching a video. Next, you want to restart the YouTube app. For that, go ahead and exit out of the YouTube app, then open up your app switcher. Now swipe YouTube off of your screen, then again you want to launch open YouTube, play any video and check if your problem is fixed. Next, force stop the YouTube app. For that, tap and hold on YouTube. Now tap on this eye icon. This should take you to settings. Now tap on the force stop option. Tap on OK. After that is done, tap on storage and here tap on clear cache. If your problem is still not fixed, you want to uninstall YouTube and then reinstall again. For that, go ahead and tap on uninstall or disable option. Then you want to enable or reinstall YouTube again. You also want to restart your phone. Tap on the power icon and then choose restart. After your phone has been restarted, open YouTube and check if your problem is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.